Gold, now we are based on daily chart, same as usual. Okay, based on daily chart, you want to see how long we will be within this correction, because what we are interested, we for the down move to finish this. Okay, we are still in the correction, no change from my last video. In this case, we go to forward chart. Okay, based on the forward chart, when the price was exactly here, we had this correction. We had our explanation there. The traders can refer to my last video. Okay, now as we can see, still we are within the correction. Now how are we going to look into this correction? Okay, there is a two possibility, the two option. The first option is this is the correction within this. Okay, in that case, what we have here we should expect. That means we should expect this correction give us a price to drop here. But when I look for this, the way is moving and the correction, with the possibility of getting this one, the sharply from here is not possible. That's why we go to 1 hour chart, we explain. That means we need to get the entry. Right now we don't have. The second option is we consider the price can move up in relative to this. That means this is the correction. That means the correction become more complex. Is like this. We will have 1, 2, 3 as a correction in relative to this. This one because we are correction. That means the price can move up. Then from there we get the down move. Okay, this is the second option. That means the second option we will have a more complex correction. Even can be more complex than this. In that case, we will have a channel, something similar to channel here. Okay, in both of them, we are more interested in the down move. The question is, the option one is the possibilities from here. Then we need to know how we trade it. The second option is the price can move up. Then from there, we can look for the down move. The down move can be somewhere to here or here or here. It depends how we get. Anyway, in both options, we want to look for down move. Then we are more interested if the price come here, we get down move from there. It can give us a better confirmation in terms of the risk and reward, can give us a better trade. Okay, that's mean the first option we are not too interested. The most one we are interested in the second option. Okay, in that case, how we can trade it? If I move to 1 hour chart, okay, based on the 1 hour chart, if we go refer to the first option, having entry below this is not a good idea. How about if the price sharply from here, for example, the breakout, we are not going to trade it. Okay, it's not the proper trade setup. How about the option we want to see is we want to see the price drop, give a flat, we see what type of the flat, then we trade it. That's mean if I want to look for sell, the only way I get the flat, the price come here, give me a flat, then I will look for sell. Rather than that, we don't. How about if the price sharply from here move, we don't trade it. This is how we trade the first option. The second option is that we wait the price come to the top, it gives us a more complex correction, then from there we look for down move. In terms of the risk and reward, can give us a better trade. Okay, do we need to look for buy from here? If I move to lower time frame, in case the price, that means the price from here can reverse and move to the top. Okay, since we have this move, if we didn't have this move, there was a flag, yes, we could, we had a flag, having entry above this was a good idea. But right now, as we get this, if you refer back to my other videos, we explain and we see what happened. That's why when we get this type of the move, we don't trade as we don't look for the flag, we don't look for the flat. Okay, because of this sharp move. The reason is this, because drop more than enough. It's like drop too much. Okay, if I say like that. In this case, if we get the buy setup, that means we expect the price to go move to this top before we do look for the down move. If we want to look for buy, the only times we buy if we get a flat here, not the flag, because right now we don't have any flag. Okay, and right now from what we have it, this one dropped too much. I'm not interested in the buy unless we see what we get here, because there is a possibility the price come here, then we get this correction, we get one move down. Buying here right now from what we have it, we don't suggest it because the price dropped too much. How about if the price sharply move up? We don't buy it. Anyway, anyone wants to have if you want to buy, the best is we get the correction here. That's mean the price come to this level, reverse, we get the flat, we buy somewhere around here, not at the top. anyone wants to have entry above this, it depends on them, but I don't suggest it because there is a possibility price come here, we get this flat, then the price drop. Okay, anyway, right now we don't have any trade set up. Now the only thing is whether we get the sell from here, we need to follow the chart, or the price move to the top, we get from the top. This is what we are more interested in terms of the risk and reward. In this case, we just follow the chart. If we see any update, I will share it in the group. Thanks.